Hey guys, this is Sandeep from RevAtlas and welcome back to yet another video, and today we'll be taking a look at the charging test of the Realme X7 Pro. Now before we get this started, please do make sure to hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications to avoid missing any videos from us in the future. Now let's begin. The X7 Pro comes with a 4500 mAh battery which is capable of charging from 0 to 100% just in 35 minutes according to claims by Realme. Now we want to put this to a test, and in order to do so we have to make use of the bundle charger, which is a 65 watt super dart charger along with the bundle USB Type-C to Type-A cable as well. Before we got this test started, we made sure that the phone was completely drained and the charger itself was connected directly to a power socket without any adapters or extenders of any kind. 1 minute into the charging test, the phone was able to boot up and had already hit 2% of charge. By 2 minute mark, it had reached 6% of charge, and while it hit 19% of charge, giving an average refill rate of 171 mAh per minute by the 5 minute mark. At the 10 minute mark is where we got the fastest charging rate at an average of 175.5 mAh per minute, giving a charge of 39%. By the 15 minute mark, we had crossed 50% of charge and had exactly 56% of charge, giving an average refill rate of 168 mAh per minute. While by the 20 minute mark, it had reached 71% of charge, giving an average refill rate of 159.5 mAh per minute, which means that if you even forget to charge it overnight and you plug it in the morning, just 20 minutes of charge should be enough to last you your entire day of use. Now by the 25th minute mark, it had reached 86% of charge, giving an average refill rate of 154.8 mAh, and by the 27 minute mark, it had already crossed 90%, giving 91% of charge. Now at 30 minutes, we had reached 96% of charge, giving an average refill rate of 144, and by the 33rd minute, it actually crossed 99%. And in just under 34 minutes, it managed to charge the phone up to 100%, which is a bit faster than what the company claims. Now in terms of thermals, we did not notice any major heating issue, and the maximum it reached was 36 degrees Celsius on the top left of the phone at around the 25 minute mark. The charger itself was also pretty cool at around 32 degrees, and there was no major issue there either. So what this means is that the X7 Pro, like some of the other fast charging smartphones from OnePlus and Oppo, is also one of the fastest on the market. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section below. See you again in the next one, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button.